If you are also learning to speak in English like me, then this video is for you. Hello friends, today I have brought some such sentences in English for you, which are commonly asked and are also answered. If you practice speaking these sentences, you will definitely learn to speak English. So without any delay, let's start. Who are you? I am a student. How are you? I am fine. Thank you for asking. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. Where are you going? I am going to drink water. Will you have tea or coffee? As you like. Anything else? No, thank you for asking. Thanks for this honor. Welcome. Will you help me please? Why not? What do you do? I am a doctor. Why are you learning English? To talk with people. How is the weather? It is rainy. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. Where is your younger brother? He is playing carom with his friends. Why haven't you come yesterday? I was sick yesterday, that's why I was absent. From where do you collect these books? From the school library. What is your favorite food? I love hot noodles. When do you revise your lesson? In the morning. May I come in, teacher? Yes, please come in. What would you like to have? It's fine. Just bring a glass of water for me. Have you completed your work? Yes, I have completed my work. How was your day today? It was great. Where are you going? I am going to the mall. How old are you? I am 10 years old. Whose pen is this? It is mine. If you like this video, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.